Smart Medicine, we will give you the chance to ask the expert. Today, our topic is cancer and genetics, and we welcome cancer genetic counselor Eric Fowler. Eric,
Thank you.
Welcome. What is genetic counseling and testing?
Genetic counseling and testing looks at the possibility that there could be an inherited risk for cancer in a family. Essentially, there are some families that have a lot more cancer than you'd expect, and cancer runs as a trait or an inherited risk through those families. The genetic testing process is a blood test that looks to see or prove if there is this inherited risk in the family.
And you're talking specifically about cancer genetic counseling.
Yes, cancer genetic counseling focuses on those families that have hereditary cancer.
And who's best for this type of procedure?
The best candidates for genetic counseling and genetic testing as they relate to cancer would be people that have a moderate to strong family history of cancer. Essentially, I take a genealogy or pedigree, and I'm looking for a pattern of cancer that could suggest a hereditary risk. That may be multiple people with the same cancers, people diagnosed with cancers at younger than average ages, and a generation-to-generation pattern of cancer.
When it comes to insurance, will they pay for it?
Most of the time, insurance will pay for the cost of the genetic testing and the genetic counseling. When it does not, there are funds available through several foundations to pay for the costs of those services.
Now, you'd think that when you're talking about insurance, that this could possibly set you up for a black mark against you. When it comes to insurance companies, they could deny you coverage. Is this the case with this type of counseling?
There have actually been over 20,000 people that have had this type of testing in the past 10 years, and none of them have experienced, to our knowledge, any problems with their health insurance. In fact, there are laws in Tennessee and federal laws that protect people against genetic discrimination.
Cancer genetic counselor Eric Fowler, thanks so much for joining us.